ingredients for my juice: spinach, carrot, beetroot, radish. Daily intake of your vitamins. Life and Vibes TV. And also,
good fat.
We've got avocado, banana, and cashew nuts. Blending the cashew nuts, banana, avocado with a touch of organic spirulina. Yep, this is the thickener for the juice. This is the outcome. It looks like aqua green ice cream or yogurt. So after I juice my fruits and vegetables, I would then simply mix the thickener into the juice. And it's optional to add a touch of honey. And here we are. Juice is ready. This one is to cleanse your blood. Enjoy.